Hi, it's Nike, and I need your help. I have to talk to you today about how you can be the star of the show. There are a lot of dark and scary things going on in the world right now that need your brightness. Your lives were changed almost overnight because of a virus. School was canceled. Play places were closed. You were forced to stay home. People told you constantly to wash your hands. And you partially have to cover your face with a mask. But there's another sickness that we're dealing with. It's not new. It's actually been around for over 400 years. This sickness is called racism. It's not like the coronavirus, where it is passed to others through germs. Racism is when people of a certain race or color are not treated right. Sadly, this sickness called racism has caused Black people to be badly hurt or even killed because of their own brown skin. This sickness causes white people to think and try and prove that Black people shouldn't be able to do or have the same things as them. There are some really kind people who have been protesting or coming together to speak out about how unfair this sickness is. You may not be able to protest with the others, but you can shine your bright light by using your voice. You can bring this sickness down by making the choice to speak out. You have the power to change the world by speaking up. Your Black friends and their families, including myself, need you. So many in the world are going against us right now, and we need your bright voice to ask questions, draw pictures, write letters, and express your feelings about why your Black friends' lives matter. In this object lesson, the broken toothpicks represents how racists try to tear us down. But when you use your voice, which is the water, the toothpicks form a star. Remember, you are the star of the show. Your voice and Black Lives Matters. God loves you, and so do I.